I wasted 3 years hating my body before learning these 10 simple tricks that changed everything. Tip 1. Stop calling foods good or bad. Pizza isn't evil. 2. Eat more protein. It keeps you full and builds muscle. 3. Walking is literally magic for fat loss. No gym required. 4. Ditch perfection. Some days I eat the whole bag and that's okay. 5. Drink more water. Your body often confuses thirst with hunger. 6. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Poor sleep destroys your metabolism. 7. Eat slowly. It takes 20 minutes for your brain to register fullness. 8. Add strength training. Muscle burns calories even while you sleep. 9. Track progress, not just weight. Take photos and measurements too. 10. Consistency beats perfection every single time. Small changes add up. Here's the real truth. Your body isn't your enemy. It's your partner in this journey. These changes helped me lose weight without the self-hatred and actually keep it off. You've got this. Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, progress over perfection, always. See you in the next one. And if this helped, hit that follow button for more real talk about health and fitness that actually works.